Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can scrap the jobs from Upwork. We have this option. We not only scrap the jobs, we can also analyze the data, that how we can extract meaningful information from the data right now. Okay, so I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna type in the keyword that I want to search. Let's say I want to type in Python agents. Okay, but uh, then I will press the run button and you say it start running. Start scraping the jobs from Upwork. Wait for some seconds. The scraper start working, and first it fetching the data. Yes, it's finished. First is extract down the links, and now it will search profile by profile. I'm gonna hide this now and cancel. You see the logs on the console screen, and there are multiple windows are appearing right now. I'm gonna open one by one, adjust them. Yes, start scraping data. It takes some time to extract information, meaningful information, and I will show you that how this will work. We need to adjust it, verify it. Don't worry. Yes, you see, start extracting. I'm gonna pause the video and then I will resume when the data scraping process was finished. So guys, you can check this out. The scraping task has been completed, and it not only extract the data, but see, it show the information that how good it was, that how fast it was. That the process take some minutes, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depend on your internet connection. But now I'm going to view and analysis data, and we have two files up for jobs data. I'm going to click on it, and you see the JSON file. So here are the you can see the variables here: client city, client country, client spent role, client total spent on, client type, fixed price, job description, job duration, job title, job type, job URL, member since, and the most important thing, the most important parameter is posted time and the recommendation. The system says that this client is good for the beginners, and this is not good. And this is here is the JSON preview of the file. You can see that how the data has been excellently managed, and it's safe in file. Okay, so the next here is the table view. So this is the table view. We have the job title, job duration, job description, and the description take longer, and job URL, to client spent raw, total spent, like say 24K, and in USD $24,000 and $11,000. Members since, where, how last, how much time clients spent on Upwork, and how good it was that. So it was really helpful for you to find the high budget clients, and what kind of projects that client is offering on you to get high budget clients earning more money, basically the mechanism. Okay, so the second thing is the display graph, and here is the job analytics graph, and we have this system. Wait a minute, and let me show you how you can preview it. Okay, so this is the graph. There are the graphs: total, the budget distribution, how which client has lower than $1,000, which have between medium $1,000 to $5,000, and very high, and high more than 5,000 to 20K. So these are the various kind of graphs, and this is the recommendation, client type distribution, ignore, how many clients you need. There are total 32% clients you need to ignore: elite budget, low budget, high budget. So this is totally fantastic. And this is the heat map, job duration analysis, job type distribution, and these are various graphs that you have once you once you succeeded to extract the data. His are the top 10 countries with more job: United States, USA, United Kingdom, India, Australia, Canada, GBR, Hong Kong, Netherlands, and Australia. So they are United States, they are hiring total 72 jobs are from United States of America, and 72 jobs, and AI related jobs and non versus non AI jobs. So AI related jobs are 0.4%, and non AI jobs are 19. I'm not sure about it, maybe some kind of glitch that is. And these are the various graph. Okay, so now second thing, the most important, what about the file? So I'm going to download the Excel document. Yes, I'm successfully download the Excel file, and now I have repressed the button, and you can see here this is the view prompt. So this is the prompt helps you to analysis that how you can find out the opportunities by extracting by analyzing the scrape data. So this is the prompt you need to copy, or you can also create your own prompt. It is up to you. Yes, so you can create your own prompt. I'm going to Gemini. I have the pro version of Gemini Pro. I have recently subscribed, and I'm gonna say I'm recently at this Upwork jobs data file, and the prompt I type into the Gemini. I have an Excel file containing a scrap job listing from Upwork. Please analyze the data, provide strategic insight of a freelancer. Okay, so this is blah blah blah. Means the purpose is the tool not only provide you the extract data, but the tool also provide you that how you can find out the data, how you can find out the data, meaningful data through AI. Currently, we are not offering any AI analysis in this tool, but inshallah with the passage of time we will provide it. And now I'm gonna simply press change pro. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna press the run button, and you see the Gemini start working. You can also add it into the ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, which LLM suit you. It's good if you have a pro version, Perplexity, and this will provide you the summary of the data. Most important thing, because right now we need to analysis that how the data behave, how, what situation, what stories that data tell to us. Yes, give me, you can check this out. You can check this out. High value opportunities, elite budget, AI is elite and now the involving integration. Elite kind of projects are not just simple script, but involve building platform or complex integration, including AI, operation system, project exposed, senior expertise mentioned over 35 of high budget titles. And what is hiring? Top hiring. The United States is the dominant market of this kind of, they are averaging over 100K per client, and United Kingdom, India, Australia, Canada follow the same thing. Trending niches, AI agents. AI agents include WhatsApp agents, voice receptionists, browser-based using tools like Playwright, and workflow automation. N10 and Zapier combined with large language model. This is very, very important. And voice AI, voice receptionist. So you guys, you need to focus your N10, and these are the client demands and budget gap. So this is the optimized now the AI agents skill up, and AWS Azure optimize niche down, pushing your AI rather than AI developer, and focus use cases with automated sale agents. So this, guys, this is extremely important, extremely important. And I'm gonna save this screenshot and post it onto my LinkedIn profile laterly. So overall, guys, this is the video, and this is the most important video. Is help you, this tool helps you to find the high quality niche, high quality trending projects from Upwork, and I hope this will really helpful tool for the freelancers. So thank you very much.